A full set of cleanroom general contracting equipment from Suzhou Pharma was successfully shipped to the client's new production base. The shipment covers core cleanroom facilities, high-performance clean sandwich panels and customized HVAC systems and other cleanroom fittings. Our cleanroom panels feature seamless, pore-free surfaces and tight interlocking structures, effectively eliminating dust-dead corners and resisting bacterial growth, fully meeting strict standards with excellent fireproof and antibacterial properties. The professional HVAC system is equipped with 3-stage filtration and intelligent frequency conversion modules, precisely controlling workshop temperature at 18 to 26 degrees Celsius and humidity at 45% to 65%. All products undergo full strict inspection and professional packaging. We deliver reliable turnkey cleanroom solutions with rigorous quality control, safeguarding clients' standardized and sterile production operations.